Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you how to make this cute little cactus, desert, terrarium turtle ordeal, and similar to my ocean terrarium turtle that I released over a year ago. So first I'm taking some black clay, and I'm going to make the little spikes that I had on the turtle's head. So I'm rolling it out into a very thin snake, but not too thin, just thin enough that it looks like a snake. And then I'm going to bake it according to instructions for about 10 minutes. And here I have my little spikes, and we'll cut those out later, but first we're going to make the turtle head. So I'm taking some green clay and I'm smushing it into a rounded triangle shape. And we're going to place that head and stick it onto this glass dome that I got from Miniature Sweet. Next we're going to make some legs, so I'm taking some clay and pinching it into a triangle shape. And I'm rounding it off, and using my blade I'm going to cut it at a slant. And for the tail we have a pointy cone that we're going to cut the end off of. Next I'm just sticking the 4 legs onto the glass dome. And don't forget the little tail. So next I'm giving it some brown dot eyes and a lined smile. Now it's time to cut the spikes. So I'm taking my blade and I'm cutting off the little black snakes of clay that we pre-baked into equal sizes. And we're just gonna stick them into the turtle head, and I just added a whole bunch. And next we're just gonna make some very simple cacti. So a basic cactus shape where I'm rolling into a fat cylinder and adding 2 little arms to it. And we're making a light green variety of the same one. And then this one's just 3 little dots of clay stacked on top of each other. And then another one is just a ball with some like lines and indents in it, kind of like a pumpkin. And once baked according to instructions, we have a bunch of little miniature cacti in various greens. So of course I didn't have any real sand when I made this video, so I had to make do with what I had. So I used some star sand, which I poured it into the glass dome until it's about a third full. Then I added a layer of UV resin on top so it can cure and keep the sand in place. Then I gave it a quick cure and I added another layer of UV resin on top. And I started adding little cacti all around, and it was really difficult just because the opening is really small and the cacti could barely fit, and I had to kind of move it around with a little toothpick. So think of it as like one of those miniature ships in a bottle, but miniature cacti in a turtle. And once the last cactus is in, I decided to fill the rest of the dome with some UV resin. I did it slowly not to have any air bubbles. But once I cured it, and you'll see the final product soon, there was a huge air bubble toward the front. But overall, there wasn't any other small or large air bubbles besides the really giant one in the front. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I have a couple more of these glass domes still, so let me know what kind of terrarium I should make next. I'm thinking of something Arctic themed. What do you all think? Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.